In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your grille on your Chevy Cruze. It's located on the bumper. Using a T15 Torx bit, we're going to remove these two bolts, one here, one here. Now we're going to go underneath. Now we're going to remove 3 bolts underneath using a 7mm socket. Swivel that out of the way. And there's one right here. Now we can pull this fender liner back and there'll be a bolt up top. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now let's pull back our fender liner a little bit and you're going to see a bolt right here. The head is on the top. You're going to use a 7mm socket and remove it. Using a 7mm socket, we're going to remove these 4 bolts. Unhook this tab out of this. Do the same on the other side. So now on either side, this piece pulls out and you want to unhook it. And now do the same on the other side. If you don't have another person or whatever, you can put a step stool or something underneath so it doesn't fall on the ground. And now we're going to do the same on this side. Pull it out. Now the cover should come off, like so. And you're going to find some electrical connections that you're going to have to disconnect. I'm going to unhook this from the bumper and also disconnect the electrical connector. To disconnect it, we're going to pull out this gray tab. It's usually just a little lock. We're going to unlock it by pushing this tab here. Pull it out, and now push down and unplug it. Unhook it from here as well. I'm going to use some needle nose pliers and push in these 2 ears and pull this out. Now you can remove your bumper cover. Set it aside. To remove this, I'm going to push down. Push that in and release it. And then you're going to push these clips through. Just be careful you don't snap them off. And then you can lay that down. Next, we're going to remove these 2 white clips on either side. And to do that, I'm going to push it on this white piece right here and then unlock it. Do the same on the other side. Now we're going to go along the edge and we're going to unclip all of these. So to do that, you're going to use a trim tool and you're going to pull it up. And You're going to slide the trim tool in along the way and apply a little pressure forward as you twist your trim tool and pop off the grill. Do that for all the way around. And then you're going to remove it. Make sure everything's lined up and it's the right side up. And you're going to go around and slowly work your way around and snap it into place. Now we're going to put our white locking tabs in. Make sure the curved side is towards your face. Push down and do the same on the other side. Now we're going to put our foam back. To do that, you're going to hook it in first on either side. And then you're going to lock it in down here. And now we're going to install our bumper. Let's plug in our connector. Make sure it's unlocked before doing that. Slide it in. Hear the click. Lock it in place. Now we're going to push our bumper up closer. Make sure you push this back where it was. And now we're going to put our bumper on. Now we're going to line this up. Make sure everything's where it belongs. And we're going to hook these into here and on the other side. And make sure these holes are all lined up. Once you have that locked in, we're going to go on the side and push it back into place. So you're going to pull and line up these teeth with these holes. Make sure your bumper's all lined up on the other side as well. And once you feel like it easily goes into those slots, you can push it in. Do the same on the other side. Now we're going to put our bolts in. Let's tighten those up. Now we're going to put our bolts in to hold our bumper, the sides of our bumper on. Get them started by hand. And then we can tighten it down. Do the same on the other side. So line up your fender liner. And we're going to put this corner piece in first. Get it started. Tighten it up. Tighten it up. And now we're going to flip this over here. So just slide this piece back. And we're going to put those two bolts in underneath. Just start them by hand, and then we'll tighten them up. Do the same on the other side. Put your bolts in. One there and one there. These are the ones with the Torx. And we'll do this one up top. the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.